The Enercan Web Services is a feature of Energy Star Portfolio Manager that works in the background. That's really been extremely powerful for us. Through web services, we get data in a more timely manner. We also get more accurate and quality data through that process. So Service New Brunswick is actually a Crown corporation within the government of New Brunswick. We do have a branch for energy management, and that mandate really is to support government buildings, their facility managers and their teams in reducing their energy consumption. And we work with our client departments, such as the school districts and the hospitals and other government buildings, to reduce energy. Through Enercan's web services, you can connect to other organizations such as utilities and grab data. You can also go in and grab the key metrics that are available in Portfolio Manager, export it and put it into these dashboards, and we can see pie charts of how much fuel is being used or how much electricity is being used in all of government through a click of a button. So we're able to take all that data and lump it together into departments, regional health authorities, or school districts, and making energy visible in a more graphical means for them. Natural Resources Canada has been a fantastic partner. Enercan's been very responsive, whether we've had questions about Portfolio Manager or web services. They're responsive in a timely manner, quite often getting back to us with suggestions and tips. Enercan's also been very open to listening to thoughts and ideas that could potentially make web services or Enercan work a little bit better on our end. And we've seen even some of those suggestions or comments actually rolled out in some of the upgrades with Portfolio Manager. That's really been extremely powerful for us.
BC Hydro is the primary electricity utility here in British Columbia. We generate our electricity mainly from hydro and also from some wind and some micro hydro. So we're about 98% clean electricity here in British Columbia, and then we provide that to our customers throughout the province. BC Hydro has been using web services for a number of years now with Enercan, and we see two main benefits. The first one is that we're able to design programs based on real energy consumption data as opposed to samples. And then the second one is that we're able to reduce paperwork. So rather than people manually putting information in, it automatically uploads, and so that's a great benefit to us as BC Hydro and our customers. So we really appreciate the support that we receive from Natural Resources Canada. It's great to have a national organisation who's able to provide infrastructure and information and collaboration opportunities with other parts of Canada, so we can all work together to drive down our carbon and energy footprint. We'd absolutely recommend the use of web services to other organisations for two reasons. Firstly, it's great for you and your customers to be able to have that information with real data, and secondly, it's really important that we have a widespread database across Canada of how buildings are performing. It's going to allow us to write better codes, write better programs, and get better energy efficient buildings.